Make this quick, under a minute. Move that screw there. Move that screw there. That's loose. Trim piece will pull right off. Move this screw, and that 10mm bolt. Slide this piece up like this. Pull back your splash shields. Hard to tell, but you can see the rubber piece is moving up. This is the problem on mine that broke. Let's open the door. Just like that. Take your new replacement piece. You can see the remnants of the last one that was rubber, because Ford thought that was a great idea. Pay attention to the slot on your new piece. Slide that on the cable inside the door. Goes on that way. Couldn't video it because you need 2 hands to put it on there, but anyway, once you slide it on there, we got to get it back in that slot right there. Use a pair of channel locks. Push it in place. That's it. You're done. Door should now be fixed. Very cool. Okay, so if you're unlucky like me, your bottom piece on your latch is also fucked too. My cable won't work anymore. So we'll close up that side for now. Make sure your cable's up and high and out of the way so you have clearance. And if you lift up right here, you don't have to pull the speaker off. You can get to the other side of it. We're gonna put that other aluminum piece down here. Use pliers on the bottom piece. You can thank me later. All right, she's in. Close the bottom back off. All right, let's try this again. There we go. Opens nice. Just gonna spray some stuff in there. We'll be good.